Thank you for choosing the Motif Medical Twist Breast Pump. The Motif Twist is a compact, easy to use, and customizable breast pump, perfect for convenient on the go pumping, whenever and however you want. The highlights of the Motif Twist include the ability to easily and discreetly pump on the go. With its small, lightweight design, the twist weighs less than half a pound, offering perfect portability. The twist allows you to pump how you want with a single or double pumping option and adjustable suction pattern designed for maximum letdown. With dual power options, it can be used stationary or on battery power. The closed system features backflow protection, keeping the motor and tubing clean and preventing contamination. The twist also features a quiet motor with no loud hum, allowing you to pump efficiently without waking the baby. Before using the Motif Twist, please read the user manual and follow all instructions to prevent personal injury or damage to the breast pump and its parts. Also, be sure to register your breast pump upon receiving it. When unpacking the box, make sure all of the following components are enclosed: one Motif Twist breast pump, one set of tubing, two diaphragm tops and diaphragms, one pair of each of the following breast shield sizes: 24mm, 28mm, and 32mm, two breast shield connectors, two valves, two storage containers, two storage container bases, two bottle caps and bottle nipples, one power adapter, two bottle rings. Before assembling the Motif Twist, consult the user manual and follow instructions on how to properly sanitize and sterilize the pump parts before starting the assembly process. Next, be sure to measure and find the breast shield that best fits you. You can refer to the user manual to learn how to measure and find the best fit. Once you have ensured you have all the necessary breast pump parts and selected your proper breast shield, you are ready to assemble the Motif Twist. Dual power options. If using the Motif Twist on stationary power, insert the power adapter into the DC port on the pump. Then insert the USB into the USB socket adapter and plug into a power outlet. If using the Motif Twist on battery power, be sure to properly install the batteries into the pump. Begin by opening the battery cover by rotating it to the left. Install 4 AA batteries and close the cover. Align the battery cover arrow with the arrow on the base and twist it to the right to lock. Ensure the cover is fully locked in place. Assembling the Motif Twist. Prior to each assembly and pumping session, be sure to wash your hands before touching any breast pump components. With clean hands, snap the membrane into the valve until it lies completely flat. Place the valve up into the connector and make sure the seal is tight. Next, attach the diaphragm on top of the connector. Connect the diaphragm top by attaching it to the top of the diaphragm. Next, place the appropriately sized breast shield into the breast shield connector. Insert the tubing connector with the tubing attached into the diaphragm and screw the storage container onto the connector. Then, insert the tubing connector into the tubing port on the breast pump. While single pumping, make sure to insert the tubing connector into the port on the right side of the pump body. Do not use the port on the left with the black button, or you may experience suction loss. To use the Motif Twist in double pumping mode, plug both of the tube connectors into the ports and make sure that the black button in the left port is completely held down by the tubing connector, as this will allow suction on both sides of the pump. You are now ready to begin your pumping session with the Motif Twist. Once you have completed your pumping session, be sure to disassemble the pump kit entirely to clean and store after each use. To do so, simply twist the diaphragm assembly off the breast shield. Then, remove the breast shield from the collection bottle and close the bottle tightly with the bottle cover and bottle disc. Finally, remove the tubing from the diaphragm assembly and breast pump. Once disassembled, be sure to clean and sanitize the breast pump parts properly after each use. Thank you for choosing the Motif Medical Twist Breast Pump. To learn more, visit us online at motifmedical.com.